we discuss about genetic code. In the molecular basis of inheritance, we discuss genetic code. Today we discuss about the characteristic of the genetic code. The first characteristic of the genetic code, that is a genetic code is a triplet code. And a triplet code, that is the sequence of three consecutive bases here. The sequence of three regular bases or sequence of three continuous bases here. That means example AUG, which is three consecutive bases. Consecutive means here सलग, तीन सलग जे bases आहेत nitrogen bases or nucleotides which constitute, which indicate one particular amino acid, which is indicate one particular amino acid. That means this triplet or these three bases which code one particular amino acid, that is the methionine, which AUG, which code for the methionine here, that is the amino acid, and the direction of the genetic or the direction of the polarity of the genetic code, which is fifth to third direction. And every living organism, the genetic code is a triplet code. Every living organism, that is the bacteria to human being, that is the genetic code, which is the triplet code. तीन ह्यानी एक code बनलेला, then another three, which is the genetic code is the triplet code. That is the first characteristic feature of the genetic code, which is genetic code which is made up of triplet code. Then next, genetic code has distinct polarity. That is the genetic code has, which is definite polarity. Polarity means here in the sense of the direction. Genetic code ची जी direction आहे ती definite आहे, clear आहे, distinct आहे. And what which is the distinct, that is the fifth to third direction here. That is the fifth to third direction. That is the distinct polarity, clear polarity or the definite polarity. That is the direction and direction read. Direction read at 5 prime end to 3rd prime end. 5 to 3rd prime end, that's the polarity read, not 3 to 5. Not 3 to 5 here. Otherwise message will change. जर ही polarity जर change झाली तर message सुद्धा काय होतो, change होतो. त्यामुळे genetic code ची काय आहे, polarity काय आहे, distinct आहे, ठळक आहे, definite आहे, and that is the fifth to third direction here. Then genetic code is not overlapping. What overlapping here? That is each single base is a part of only one codon. Here each single base is part of one codon. प्रत्येक single base हा one codon चा part आहे. That means here example here AUG UUU. Here that is these 6 bases, which is if it was overlapping, जर हे overlapping झालं तर कशा प्रकारचं काय होते overlapping here? Only one codon. Each single base is a part of one codon. That means this A, which is part of this codon, this U, which is part of this codon, this G, which is part of this codon, same codon. That means A, which is part of AUG codon, U, which is part of AUG codon, and G, which is part of AUG codon, not other codon. If it is overlapping, जर हे overlapping झालं तर काय होऊ शकतं? Overlapping, that means here AUG, UGU, GU, U, and UUU. That means here these 6 bases which code for the 4 amino acid here, if it had been overlapping to each other, this is not seen in case of genetic code. Genetic code मध्ये हे असं overlapping दिसून commaless. What is commaless here? There is no gap or there is no any punctuation mark between successive and consecutive codon. There is no gap in the genetic code here. There is no gap or punctuation mark between codon here. That means here we know that the genetic code, the direction which is the 5th prime to 3rd prime here, or codon, that is the AUG, UU, whatever it may be, there is no gap in any codon here. There is no gap. Here no gap, or there is no punctuation mark or comma, म्हणजे कुठल्याही प्रकारचं मार्क नाही किंवा कुठल्याही प्रकारचा गॅप नाही. म्हणजे हे असं असतं, नॉट दिस टाइप. अशा प्रकारचा गॅपही नसतो, or not any punctuation mark between genetic codon. That is the successive, सलग येणारे, consecutive, सलग येणारे, which is genetic code is commaless. That means here the one characteristic. Then the next genetic code has degeneracy. What is degeneracy here? One amino acid are encoded by more than one codon here. We know that is the 61 codon. 64 codon out of 3 codons are which is not synthesizing any amino acid, but 61 codon codes, that is 21 amino acid here. In that, one amino acids are encoded by more than one codon, and it is called the degeneration of the code. What is the degeneration of the code? That is one amino acid are encoded by, which is encoded by more than one codon here. That is cysteine, which is code, or cysteine which has 2 codon here. That is the cysteine has 2 codon, that is the UGU and UGC. Cysteine, UGU and UGC, that is cysteine codon, cysteine code 2 codons, and which is isoleucine has 3 codon, that is the AUU, AUC and AUA. That is isoleucine, which is AUU, AUC and AUA. That is the isoleucine. Isoleucine code AUU, AUC and AUA, which is explained by Wobble hypothesis. This explained by Wobble hypothesis, that is one amino acid encoded by more than one codon. म्हणजे एक amino acid मध्ये more than one codon असू शकतात. That is it is the genetic code has the degeneration, that is called a degeneration of code here. Then genetic code is universal. Genetic code is universal, that is UUU code phenylalanine. UUU code phenylalanine, which is all living organism or all living organism with specific code or specific code specifies same amino acid. If UUU in bacteria and UUU in human being or any animal or any organism, that is UUU code, that is phenylalanine amino acid, which is universal. Bacteria to human being, UUU code for amino acid, that is the phenylalanine, and AUG code, which is a methionine here, that is the genetic code is universal. Then next here the next characteristic, genetic code is non-ambiguous. That is the genetic code is non-ambiguous here, that is AUG code only methionine. It will not code valine or it will not code any other amino acid. That is AUG only code methionine here. That is 2 different amino acid will never be encoded by one codon or same codon. जसं की previous आपण पाहिलं that is cysteine, that is code UGU or UGC, but UGU code only cysteine and only cysteine. Here UGU cysteine, that is cysteine code UGU and UGC also. UGC, that is one amino acid coded by more than 2 codon. Here one amino acid coded by more than 2 codon, but one amino acid, that is two different amino acid will never be encoded by one codon, that is UGU code only cysteine or not other any amino acid. That means AUG which code only methionine, AUG